I'm just dusting this old woman. Juicy like my husband.
Nothing in the back, everything's in the front.
Ano ba?
Lesbian!
Your father.
Who ate the powdered donuts? Earlier it was 10, now it's just 3.
That's not me.
I hate liars. We have to be honest here. We are only 3, oh. How can I eat that? I'm vegan. Oh, I cannot reach. Oh, it's very hard. See? Are you gay?
No.
Are you lesbian?
No.
Any of the alphabets?
No.
Okay, talk to me after Pride, July 4, 12 a.m.
Okay.